I'm Kevin McLoughlin. I'm the audiovisual manager at the Royal Society of Medicine here at Wimpole Street. We support what is educational conferences for medical professionals. When the rooms are not in use, we hire them out to corporate clients. So it's education, and it's also as a venue, which is in a prime location next to Bond Street Tube Station. I was actually a judge at the AV Awards for AV Professional of the Year. And when I read the entry for Anne, I thought, what an amazing woman. I got to meet her. And when I did, she didn't disappoint. Around the same time, we were looking for an alternative service and maintenance supplier.
Kevin kind of came over and started talking to me and said that he'd been a judge on the panel for the awards, and we just sort of started chatting about services and who he currently used, and he told me about an issue that he had with a projector.
We had a NEC projector. One day in the middle of a big event, it overheated. We had ongoing problems then with it overheating. We had to use it at half power, etc. Current maintenance supplier at the time struggled really to find a solution to this problem, and it went on for the best part of a year.
The fact that it was under warranty and it was under maintenance contract, for me, that once you have those ingredients you should have a great service.
This is what impressed me so much about Visavvi, not just Anne but the whole team, that they are very solutions oriented. She found it unacceptable that basically we'd put up with this for a year.
I arranged for NEC to come into the workshop. I arranged for the people that designed the cabinets so that we had kind of everybody there together.
Ongoing, the service has been fabulous from the Visavvi team, and we feel, because we're quite a kind of expert in-house team, that we work really well with them. It's like a partnership as opposed to just a supply, because we can often troubleshoot any problems we have, give them a list of what we've done, pass it on to them, and then they come with the solutions. And every single time they haven't failed to find a solution.
The facility here at Wimpole Street is at varied levels of AV. Within maintenance, we need to know a lot about a huge range of equipment. With our range of engineers and experience and technical knowledge, we can deliver across the huge range of AV.
The relationship we have with Visavvi removes a lot of the stress from the job, because now I know I've got somebody I can have confidence in. I can just, one phone call, one email, and that they're going to act on it as soon as possible.
The one thing you will get with us is, if we tell you that we would do something, we do it 100%.
Beyond the service level agreements, always going the extra mile.
The golden rule of service is to always leave the customer in better shape than when we arrived, no matter what the problem is.
Only yesterday, I was sitting next to somebody who said to me, do I know anybody that could provide integrator services? And straight away I said Visavvi, and they said, any more suggestions? I said, no, that's all. So I think that shows exactly what I think of the quality of Visavvi's service and support for us.